Hello, my beautiful people from Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe and press the notification button. Thank you. One love. Bye bye.
Hello everyone, this is your Utete here. What time is it now? I think it's around after 11. So I'm at work, I'm on first break. I think I have to do this now. So I'm on my break, so I'm at work. So my message is to Mama B, Mama Beatrix of Maika. Mama, please, I beg you with the name of God. Osiride. Mama B, Osiride, Lawo. You know, you are life in Banya. A video ni where you will call Mama idea or you will come and say something about they may listen tell me Mama idea or my own what type. Mama, no, we don't want that anymore on social media. Lawo, you so low by me away. Mama be lawo, or say you young with him. The mother of all. You were once, you once about these people. You can't say when you can't your children. Mama be lawo. You so low boy and allow. As much as where the only him, but at the same time, honestly speaking, we want peace on social media. I understand. I don't way on my Korea. My one we made a video. Am I so happy? Maybe a video so on a good work on a good. Imagine a video and say, "My near start to say, no, here I'll give me on ya, but in my home, a boy dating on ya, if we do react. Or they don't want to time. So, Mama be like, when it to them, listen, you have my well, Lolo, you have my well. Don't disclose anything. Why would you rock back? Why tell anything to anybody? You are Mama be let this everything, let them go. Let get back. Umami on do magbo moju wa won sa do work with gossip but what gossip is in social media. Oh where I when am what the gossip no my so wo when we number 1000 Mama be la wo je renije you are digwe whatever gwe gwan o dog just forgive them while here as your children, let it go. Come out with your normal show, your normal topic on social media. Forget it. Whatever audio no go go. When we are yara more. Mama, where is the argument? I understand. So what's here? Just let everything go, let everything die. My understanding when I am. That was even if I give a living message na cause even when I understand cause I can now me by then I as all like and me and yeah, social media will page show. Yeah, amigo. So my name our winner, our amigo. I will not legit, So Mama B, marvelous queen. Everything I need. There's some old dating me, marvelous queen. I give you say no. Maggie Gianni Reba, marvelous queen. No work about the Google. Why I forget. Lolo, we have me when we support you. That dog, igbe. That dog, mouth that can a man be. I understand. Mama be do where the civil sort with social media na lolo. Because of you, when if you say I no send that, but because of you, that woman receive it on my weather there. On I see me more weather than anybody. I will tell you no she. But I'm more weather there. When I have any, she was there on my shoulder. At least you were there to console you. And you know way bibi you are we call it Mama be we are with damn you. I will get near damn you only can you bono. My understanding when I had lolo. So tell your followers or your fans or your supporters, tell them to stop. Because mama make no say nanya. Wo mama emu yotoma or anyo neba or do anyo. My understand. And yeah, ale no gbe ale. So that is what I have to say. So Mama be la wo woje anything or any attack with gbe de o. Egbe not my na ita. Don't say anything to anybody. Don't say because when always do tani could work another time we work I'll buy our whatever. Mama be la wo. There's anything anybody say to you, forget it. Audio. Well, audio what? Do I save audio man no delete it? Fine, don't play it. Don't what's here? Come out with your kitchen, your cooking, your makeup, your video program. That is it. 15 minutes to be 30 minutes to be go, like you have your peace of mind and rest of mind. Okay, just take life from them and do your own thing. You understand the energy. Lawo mama be off work be lawo. Carry on with your normal topic on social media. Stay clear for all this, you know. Cause we don't go Johnny Paya. I don't need my way. You know, listen. This thing we just about we are here. So mama gwaloni. We want honestly speaking a piece agwalo on social media na. A piece agwalo. You know. So the team all the talk na me deri on. Obona boy ni ye Nigeria ni ye ni ye mu ya gbegbe ade wo ejemi ebezi ore. Awo no boni awo no kia. Ma understand me na. In life na jeje wano, you know. So I know. So mama be la wo. I beg you in the name of God, forget this whole thing. Let it go. Let it go. Wawe imanana. All what bawaje. All the power on me. Wawe na isi no ba. So these are the people you can. Who make you ignore here? Oh, on a barrel walk back me on my own hour, but image where we are. Right, one name where we are seeing me. I don't know, we are saying you are the right way. Man, understanding, I'm aware. Okay, my from my way. So I can still even ignore them. Those are the people my the most of them they are on that project account putting up updates. You don't mind your mind pushing any water. So you can ignore these people and concentrate. And just one more why a video now. What kind of cake year in year out? You guys are just doing the same thing. Most of you guys are not growing. You are on the same spot. My way social media. There are controversial issues that you can talk about. While we turn, and now we invite to a party. We are the party. We are the age of love. I will boy. I will be now. There are things you can say, you know. But no one can what turn raw. Anyone in butter. Or no say we are tearing a party and walk away. Yeah, you know they don't wrong many people. You understand? So mama BJ la wo war for gbele ye me no gwan ye Utete. For everything tell me na afefe let it go. 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 Man understand so me a here na me no la den we only say. You know? So boy me we la den ba a video we ni wan me babona talking about one day wedding on a foundation. Don't say anything to anybody. Anything, don't say anything to anyone. Don't. Leave it like that. Give me a die video. Let it go. Let it go. Let it go. I understand. That was I understand. Una kaye ho we le lonwane. You know, we that then no one and we receive a bullet no one. Then he when you do no my year with someone or my appreciating Nania. I came here the that room for all say. Now when I'm already out with no one, when I saw I was saying no one and they want you to be their truth. To the end, I help when because we are go where you want me to tell them when we even we eating. And then when they not helping and go on video, they want to breathe. You understand? Honestly, unless maybe I want to get what you where see or man wait here where maybe how when you where you ya go. So I'm gonna be appreciated. See a video, that is it. Leave it. Mama be like wo ye. See me yeah. Don't for me or I don't know what you're going to do. I advise don't play any audio anymore. Come out with your normal show. Come out with your normal program. And just anything you can have Melissa now we lolo na eme now. Don't have a go saga the about the end. If you are learning to the that's what we are here for. Saga. Anyhow, honestly speaking now, joke apart, we want peace on social media. Mama BJ, I collect them on a foundation. Don't say anything to anybody. Don't speak to anybody. Don't play audio. Audio no rubber fire. Mama. I understand. Same guy. Leave everything alone. It will not cut or remove anything from you. Nothing. With money. I give him myself. Rewebo. Umewina. Umodo. Ubiene. Umweyene. Mama, you are too blessed. So not blessed work bine. So we're working with this year. We too pick. We are also like on young weather. Work bine. So you don't need all these things. Man, understand? Man need it. Just let it go. See ya. Because they want to say, let them settle down and confess. So let it go. I don't want to hear anything. No one not tell me anything. Why? I don't want to hear anything. So stop it now. Stop it now. As a grown-up woman, as a mother, as a grandmother, as a wife, responsible one on that. Mama B, you told 70, huh? What they will cool down, cool temper, forget the whole thing. Thank you everyone for listening to me. Bye for now.